Good day, everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Who Am I? College Journey. I am your host, Carla Munoz. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of self versus identity and nature versus nurture. So, stick around until the end to really get your head around the theory. For today's segment, we have two special guests, one who's fresh graduate of senior high school and about to start her Bachelor of Science in Business Administration with a major in Financial Management at Universidad de Dagupan, and another who just graduated from Universidad de Dagupan with the same degree. Let's all give a warm welcome to Karen Kera Estrada and Miss Janelle Erica Benavides.
Thank you, Miss Carla, for having us here. It's such a great opportunity to be here, Miss Carla.
Kera, I heard you just graduated from high school. How things are going?
I've been in college for a month now, and it's definitely harder than I expected. Adjusting to a new environment is proving to be really challenging.
I agree. College can be a real culture shock. How about you, Janelle? What are your thoughts? I heard you also just graduated from college.
Yeah, I understand what Kyra feels. For me, it feels like the pressure we had in high school has just intensified. We're facing a much higher level of education now.
Well, it's true that college life is full of surprises. So, welcome to the college world. So, let's talk about your decisions in choosing your future career path. Do you mind sharing it with us?
I think one thing I struggled with most was taking the business program. I didn't think I would enjoy it since I couldn't see myself in this field. I was supposed to take nursing because I've always wanted to be a doctor since I was a kid. But as I grew up, I realized that practicality is better than passion, at least for me.
Wow, your situation tells a lot about Carl Rogers' psychological perspective on self, which is known as self-concept. And in this concept, there's what we call the real self, that tells who we are, and the ideal self that tells who we want to be.
Yes, I've heard about that too. So basically, my real self says I should pursue nursing, but my ideal self tells me to choose practicality over passion.
That's very insightful, Kyra. Now, Janelle, since you've just finished college, could you share your experience in choosing your career path?
Honestly, Miss Carla, I also dream of becoming a nurse. Ever since I was young, I wanted to work in the medical field. But reality hit me. I realized that taking nursing wasn't practical for my situation. However, my parents and mentors guided me towards a business program instead.
That's a wonderful illustration of Albert Bandura's social cognitive theory. Bandura's work teaches us that people learn not just through personal experience but also by observing others. In your case, Janelle, you observed those around you succeeding in business. And that influenced your decision. It's such a great example of observational learning and vicarious reinforcement and play.
Yes, exactly, Miss Carla. By being observant, we can learn from other people, and with that, we can make decisions that balance both passion and practicality.
Very well said, Janelle. Since we've already heard your story, do you have any tips for Miss Kyra as she's starting her college journey? We know college won't always be easy, but a little advice could help her a lot.
It's my pleasure. Kyra, as you step into this new milestone in college, don't be afraid if things feels hard and frustrating right now. I was once in your shoes, confused and doubting my course choice. But always remember that as you go along, you'll discover new opportunities and strength you never thought you had. Just believe in yourself, trust the process, and last but not the least, always acknowledge God and ask for guidance throughout your journey.
Before we wrap up, Janelle, now that you've graduated, what are your immediate goals? And Kyra, what are you most looking forward to as you begin your college journey?
I'm really focused finding a job where I can apply what I've learned and continue to grow professionally. I'm also excited to mentor other students and give back to the community.
For me, I'm excited to meet new people, explore different subjects, and really challenge myself academically. I'm also looking forward to get involved in campus life.
Ayla. Very nice. It sounds like you both have bright futures ahead of you. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you for viewers for joining us. Until next time.